Today, I will show you 2 tricks to ripen an avocado in just 10 minutes. These tricks are super simple and highly effective. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. For the first trick, I have a green avocado. The first step is to make some scratches on the avocado's skin, just as you see in the video. Using a knife, I will make approximately 5 or 6 lines. By the way, let me know which country you're watching from, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Also, feel free to share any other tricks you know for ripening avocados besides the 2 I'm about to show you today. Essentially, the ripening process of avocados is facilitated by a plant hormone called ethylene. By creating scratches on the peel, we stimulate the avocado to release more ethylene in a shorter period of time. The next step is to cover the avocado with a sheet of aluminum foil. This will ensure that the ethylene is evenly distributed throughout the avocado, accelerating the ripening process. Now, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and place the avocado inside for 10 to 12 minutes. The duration may vary depending on the initial greenness of the avocado. What we're achieving here is an expedited release of the plant hormone ethylene, which is activated by heat. Once the time is up, allow the avocado to cool down to room temperature. Now that the avocado has cooled, remove the aluminum foil and check if the trick worked. I'll try the avocado, which is now soft and ripe, confirming the effectiveness of the trick. The avocado flavor is not bad, but it tastes slightly different from the usual. If you ever find yourself craving avocados and need them ripe quickly, this trick will definitely work for you and you'll enjoy it. However, if you have plenty of time and prefer to eat fully ripe avocados in their natural state, then the second trick I'm about to show you can be very helpful. With this second trick, you can ripen avocados in just 1 day. Now, let's wrap the avocados in newspaper. Thanks to the newspaper, the avocados will remain warm throughout the day, causing ethylene production and facilitating the ripening process. I will wrap the avocados in newspaper and place them in a box. Rest assured, in just 1 day, you will have ripe avocados. In case the avocado is very green, it may take a maximum of 2 days. I hope you enjoyed these tips, so please share them with your friends. If you want more tips like these, leave a comment below saying, "I want more tips," so I can gauge if I'm doing it right. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to receive more tips like these. Today's special greetings go to Johnny Ford from Florida and Jeanette Blaine from Pennsylvania. Thank you for watching our videos. Farewell and take care.